Yeah.
This is voice of CJ from Grand Theft Auto San Andreas 2004.
And the flesh.
Just the real motherfucker right here.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so
here we go again.
Diego, go fuck yourself or something.
Go fuck yourself!
Playing this game.
Hey, what's up, Dad?
Oh, dude.
Who this? Who is this?
Dad,
What?
it's Michael.
Who's this?
Oh my god, this is amazing.
Hey, what's your name, man? You got a name or you just gonna bubble?
Hey, wake up, Nick. $3. Fool.
Better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass and she quit fucking with that brain surgeon lawyer she fucking with.
Nigga.